right, guys, so today is the day we are going to reveal the wrap. Now, as you guys know, in the prior video we took you through what we did with the tail lights and everything. Now I want to give a huge shout out to Iconic Graphics. This is the magic man right here. RJ pretty much designed everything. I gave him really what it is that I was looking for, and in his computer, he went in there and pretty much was sending me rough drafts and really what I can kind of expect with this design and everything. So
basically, you told me what you wanted. You gave me an idea, and then I just started rendering it in the computer, putting it on the charger to give you an idea. We took your logo, flattened it out, got rid of all the shading, so that way we can make it decalable. That's the hardest part. A decal's gotta be like a coloring book almost. You want half the back to look like it was black, the front looked blue, so we tore it, inverted it where most people do just the decal, and then we took the wing over the back, and it added more of a geometric to it. So instead of doing tears in the back, which you were a little more concerned with, we did a geometric shape ending it in the back.
And that kind of tied into what we did prior,
exactly,
which was this right here.
The fill in the license plate. It made everything come together in the back.
And that's where you really nailed it with the tail lights.
It tied both of them together.
Yep.
And then leaving this exposed really looked great. So, and then we did the marker lights and everything. And again, like, we have pre-cuts for all those that we ship out.
So, okay, so the marker lights you actually sell online,
yes,
right? Okay.
Yeah, we sell a pre-cut for those, the headlights, the tail lights, quarter windows.
Okay. So at some point I'll probably do that with the
stripe on the what is it, side view mirror. And
then we went and put this blue, which you found it's almost identical to the
Avery Dennison, it's an Avery Dennison blue that looks almost identical.
Yeah, that looks painted, and everything else looks like a wrap. Yeah. And then, guys, I know a handful of you have been asking about the logo, and I was asking RJ if he could possibly sell it for any of you guys that would actually want to put this on your car. Now, can they get this in like certain sizes?
Yeah, we could do it in a few different sizes. That way you can fit them on the quarter windows, you can fit them on the back window, wherever you want to do it. We'll probably put RT Life in the wing.
Okay.
Somewhere in the wing. Cut out, so that'll be like the color of your car or your window or something like that.
So you'll probably have like what, 2 or 3 options?
Yeah.
One for the quarter panel, maybe one for a hood, one. Okay.
One for the quarter window, and then if you wanted something bigger and you want something custom on it, we could always give us a call. And we could always make anything. It doesn't even have to be. We can make anything any size.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? But it'll be easy.
And that's going to be on the website.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So with each purchase of this, you're not just supporting my channel, but you're also helping Iconic Graphics. It's a good relationship. They've, Iconic has done such an amazing job with my car. I can't tell you the quality of the work that continues getting released onto this thing. I would say the only thing is you got to be patient with my man RJ. He's got a. Yup. This place. This place always has a waiting list.
Yeah.
You just have to be patient. He always has a full shop. So you just if you could bear with him on
give me a call, give me a DM. If I don't answer, I will get back to you. Just be a little patient. Like I said, it's just me.
Yep.
So I gotta do the installs, I gotta do the design, I gotta answer the phone. If I'm working on a car, I'm not gonna answer the phone just so I can get it done. But I will get back to you. It might not be that day, it might be the next day, but I will get back to you. And like you said, we have a waiting list, and there's a reason for that. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I have people coming back for years for a reason. So,
guys, I cannot tell you how sick this thing looks. I know you're seeing it on camera, but the next time I have a meet, you gotta come check it out in person. RJ, insane job. Designed the hell out of this. Took what I had in my brain and put it onto my car and probably exceeded expectations. I think it came out 10 times better than what I had in my mind. So